Ah, this doesn't look very good. Look at all these cracks, crazies in this headlight door. We got a big crack in the fog light. It's got the old style halogens. The turn signal lens is all crazed. Let's make this look pretty. Here's a little tip in parting. If any of these studs on either the side marker lamps or these headlight doors are rusty, you need to take those to a wire wheel and clean those threads, or you'll strip these plastic locking knobs, and these are getting harder to find. So take a look at these when you remove them. If you see they're rusty like this one, you want to clean them up before reinstalling them to save the threads on these plastic knobs. You can really see the difference after cleaning that up on the wire wheel. Now I'm going to test fit the knob. These do go on tight. They should be a little snug because you don't want them coming off easily, but they shouldn't be so hard that you have to crank them with a lot of torque. Now, one thing I do when I reinstall these to prevent them from rusting and to get them on and off a little bit easier is I take some silicone dielectric grease and I just put a very light coat on the threads. And you can see here the knob will still go on snug, but it's not galling the threads. And this will help keep these threads lasting a lot longer and make this a lot easier to take off in the future. Not bad. That looks a little better. Let's look at the before and now the after.